Hello, everyone. My name is Konstanze Döhner. I'm a hematologist. I'm working at the Department of Hematology Oncology at the University Hospital in Ulm in Germany. I joined EHA as a board member in 2018. And in 2021, I became member of the executive board, and currently I'm the president-elect of EHA. And within all these different activities, I have been, or I'm still the chair of the education committee at EHA. And the education committee is one of the core committees that has a lot of different activities with regard to education of hematologists. And one major aim of education is also to support career development for young clinicians and scientists. So I would like to give you some information about a very, very inspiring and very important initiative, a program that has been started or has been born in 2022. So the background why, and this is the Lighting the Flame, we call it the Lighting the Flame program. And the background for initiating this program is that EHA realized that in certain European areas, regions, in particular the Balkan and the Baltic regions, that the number of hematologists is decreasing, and that less medical students are interested in hematology for several reasons. And this could be very simple, like, for example, they think that there is only limited professional opportunities, or that hematology is a very complex field. So as EHA, we are advocating hematology in Europe, and we are interested to have long-term projects, in particular for our hematologists and also for career development. So what we have done in 2022 with the support of an unrestricted educational grant from AstraZeneca, we have initiated this Lighting the Flame program. And this is a program that is in particular for early career professionals, for medical students at the late stage of their educations, but also for residents. And this is for all these young people who have not decided on their medical specialty yet. So what we would like to do is to provide some insights in hematology and how interesting, how relevant hematology is. So the program is performed in close collaboration with a number of national societies all over Europe. And we also started to map the European medical schools to provide the information on the program on a really a broad level. The program is the program consists of 3 parts, and the program is free, is available and accessible to everyone who is interested. And phase 1 is, please allow me to explain a little bit about these 3 parts. Phase 1 is a fully online phase, and you as participants, you can visit all our Lighting the Flame campus programs. That means we have different courses on different hematology diseases. We have live workshops, so you can really interact with with your mentors, with really experts in the field. You can watch interviews with researchers and clinicians, and you can listen to podcasts. So this is this open online space, this first phase. And if you get interested in the program, then we have phase 2 for you. And phase 2 is a face-to-face retreat. And this is for selected participants. You can apply for a very simple process. And we select applicants based on their motivation. So you have to send us a motivation letter. It's nice to show that you have some interest and maybe some first experience in hematology, but this is all you have to do. And then we select these applicants, and the number is around 25 people who can be selected for this phase 2 retreat, this face-to-face retreat. And this takes place in a special country that we are working or collaborating with the National Society there. And then we have also a phase 3 that follows the phase 2 a year later. This is again a face-to-face retreat. And in this phase 3, you can delve deeper into hematology, how to really concretely plan your career as researcher, as clinician, or as clinical researcher. So in 2023, we had our first retreat that was held in Bucharest in Romania, which was really very successful. We had 27 young interested students and residents there. We had really a very nice and very experienced faculty of 11 mentors, and we offered a really great program to the participants. They came from 14 different European countries, and we had we had more than 20 different topics that have been discussed within this 3-day retreat. And this was performed together in close collaboration with the Romanian Society of Hematology, with the National Society. And I think the participants were really, really very enthusiastic, very motivated, working quite hard the 2.5 days. And we had, I think, a really great feedback from them. We performed a survey, and they highly appreciated the whole program. And 6 of these medical students have become member of EHA. And we had thought about to offer these really highly motivated young people also the opportunity to join our annual congress that will be held in Madrid this year in June. And we offered 15 students a grant to participate our meeting. So they have the opportunity to promote the program there and to work together with our young EHA committee, but also to attend hematology sessions. So I think this is a very attractive initiative for these young people. So the program is going on, and we are now in the second phase for the students and residents from last year's, but we also had a new call for the new beginners that was sent out in March this year, and we have already finalized to review the applications. So we received 77 applications. Last year, 47. So you see there is really an increase in the program and in the interest of the program. And it was really hard to select 25 out of the 27. But we have seen that many applicants are, or applications are coming from the areas that are underrepresented with regard to medical doctors in hematology. So we have a lot of applications from the Turkey, from Romania, Serbia, Kosovo, which is really nice, but also from Western countries. And we also try to have a nice balance with regard to country, with regard to gender, and the stage of the education in medicine. We will have our next retreat quite soon. This will happen in July this year. And this year we are going to Tallinn in Estonia. And again, we work together with the National Society of Estonia. And we will have there our, I would say, our class for the starters, for the new course, 25 people. But we also have the class there from last year for the phase 2 of the retreat. So we will be a crowd of 50 students and a number of faculty. And we have already finished the program, which is really very nice, covering a lot of topics, topics of, for sure, hematology with regard to hematology, clinical topics, but also topics for researchers, how to write a grant, how to start my career as researcher, but also some very important topics like how can I guarantee that I have a kind of quality of life as a physician? How do I talk to patients? How do I talk to relatives? Ethical issues. It's really very broad and ranging from basic research to bioinformatics. So I think everyone will find a really interesting field and maybe gets motivated and enthusiastic to stick to hematology, which is really a wonderful area of medicine. And we are talking about benign and malignant blood disorders. So it's not only on leukemias. Yeah, this is what I would like to say with regard to the program, and we are hoping that we can further develop the program, that we maybe be able to increase the number of participants, and that we can inspire these young people to delve deeper into hematology, and we would like to help them in developing their career and to improve management, treatment of patients with blood disorders. The easiest way is to visit EHA's website. The program is on the website. It's called Lighting the Flame, and we do have the Lighting the Flame campus. You just have to register yourself. This is free. This is without any costs. And you can visit this online space whenever you want. So you will find the dates for these for all the courses, but also for the workshops, for the live workshops. And you can do this whenever you would like to do that. And then you will also find the information when you have to apply for the retreat next year.